With today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York AM session. Today is July 31st, 2025. I am currently long in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on the charts. So I had a bit of a short bias coming in today. We can see here on the 15-minute. I had this Fibonacci retracement here set for a potential short, but I keep my bias pretty flexible going into the open, as I don't know what price action may shift to. So this was on the concept that if this was a short targeting this fair value gap here below the equilibrium level, and this could still be a short. This is not giving me the cleanest signals here today, so it may take some time for things to sort themselves out. But coming into the day, this being the 8 o'clock level here, these orange dotted lines that you see here, these were the swing highs. So this was the swing high for the previous session here. This was the swing low. Price action took out the swing high first, traded low here, took out the swing low, traded down into and past this fair value gap, and then buy side delivery came in here. Coming up here on the 5-minute, here you can see a bit more detail into what's going on. So for that sell-off, here comes a fair value gap on the 5-minute, sells off, buys back into that fair value gap. I take a short position here and then get stopped out here as price action is redelivered to the buy side. And on that buy side delivery, this fair value gap was put in and this fair value gap was put in. There are no fair value gaps here on the 15-minute. And I base my trades off of fair value gaps on the 15-minute. The only fair value gap that I have any type of price action trading into was this fair value gap right here, where it traded down. You can see here, didn't trade into this fair value gap, just kind of came in between both gaps. This could potentially be a fair value gap on a higher time frame, just a fair value gap overall. So this is the only fair value gap I'm seeing traded into here during the AM kill zone. And you can see price action now trading right here around the this lower fair value gap. And then you can even see here on the 5-minute, there have been no fair value gaps made in this sell side delivery here. So this could just be chop. This could be a fair value gap setting up here. I'm not a big fan of this position just because I don't have a fair value gap on the 15-minute that I feel confident that I'm trading off of. Nothing really clean fair value gap wise, but with this price action here just trading down into this level, this is the best educated guess or best experiential guess I can make. So this was the short in and out here, and then here where this green dotted line is, this is where I took an entry on this first fair value gap, and then where this green dotted line is here, I took an entry here on this second fair value gap. Ideally, I would want to wait for price action to reach this fair value gap, but at 2 to 1 to profit target, I decided to go ahead and take an entry here just in case price failed to sell back down to this level. But price has been delivered back well down into this area here as it currently is trading or consolidating in now. but went on and took an additional entry here. Could be over leveraged. I'm going to say over leveraged just because I'm in for more than one position, but having a stop loss this wide is not very typical of me, but also coming in two positions is not ideal for me either. And I likely have on twice the amount of risk that I would want to have on as I've entered these in the same size, but with about or at least this position being a 2 to 1, and this position being a 3.75 to 1. So a difference in reward to risk ratio on these, but still too early to see what might pan out, or it may pan out here just shortly as prices continuing to be delivered to the sell side here, price trading around the 118.80 level. So yeah, just watching this. If this sets up as a short potentially, I don't think I will trade anything else until I get something clear fair value wise on the 15-minute. Just not seeing what I would like to see, but just trade wise, I'll show you what I have. So my stop losses are the same. So my stop loss here on the 15-minute, just below this candle here. And then for profit taking, we're up here in the stratosphere. So there's this level up here that's almost like a flat top area. ICT talks about these areas frequently in the ICT 2022 model. It's like a price area, like a flat top area that's just too clean, that looks like the classic retail support and resistance levels. So I want to attack this level here. Normally I would just attack the fair value gap here, but this level is close enough and let's say picturesque enough that I'm willing to bypass the fair value gap to trade into this buy-side liquidity, this buy-side liquidity pool that's just resting right up here. And that's if I'm not stopped out right here. But again, just not picking up fair value gaps unless one is still yet to be made here. For example, seeing this type of gap here between these two candles. So if a fair value gap is formed here, that would leave an area here, but that would be challenging to trade into in the kill zone here, or at least what's left of it. So price reacting as it's nearing the low of this engulfing 5-minute candle here. So if that level doesn't hold, then it's likely price will continue with some sell side delivery here. Price trading around the 117.920 level currently. And consolidating here around 117.920. So if this trade is viable, I would anticipate seeing some buy-side delivery with speed coming in here as we're seeing now, price at 118. Seeing some consolidation here. $117.980. 117,950. Less than 1 minute remaining in this current candle. Price being delivered now to the sell side. And consolidating here around 117,950. Buy side delivery with speed 117,980. 117,950. Consolidating. So less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute and 15-minute candles here. So ideally here with this 15-minute candle, I want to see, or with this next 15-minute candle, I want to see some buy side delivery. I would like to clear this area. But with the way that this 5-minute candle just closed, it is not showing the type of strength that I would anticipate seeing here. So we can see here for the past 30 minutes and going here, there's been consistent sell side delivery here. And starting to get some buy side delivery here. Price still consolidating around the 117,920 level. Getting some buy side here, 117,950, 117,980, showing some speed. Back at 118, 118.20, consolidating here. So with Bitcoin here, if this is a long, it has certainly dug itself in deep here. So we'll see if this is the slingshot type of effect where it sells off just to rally aggressively, or this could just be price action just selling off here and just taking its time grinding me to my stop out here. But I'm not seeing the volatility or speed in buy side delivery that I would like. So I'm anticipating a stop out here. Where if it did stop me out, now it's setting up for a fair value gap here to the short side. May fill in here. So if I get stopped out in price action in the last 45 minutes, and also there's the macro that's after, trades up into here, I'll shift back to my short idea and target a short position. But I'm going to need this price action to fail first, and then this fair value gap here on the 15 to be confirmed with the closure of this candle, and then price action to sell back into it. If that happens, then I'm going to target deep into this area of discount here. So my main thing with this ICT 2022 model, which is probably everybody's crux or Achilles heel, is bias. For example, these dotted lines up here, this is the 8:30 New York session opening price. This is the 12 a.m. New York session, or this is the 12 a.m. New York opening price. So if price initially traded above these levels, so to me this would signal a short trade, which is why I took this short position first. Then seeing price action trade into that fair value gap, and then put in this buy side delivery, I decided to try it for a long here. But yeah, just bias wise, this price action is just seems to be all over the place with direction here. So even today you can see here, sweeping out the swing high, and then sweeping out the swing low, sweeping out swing high again, sweeping out the swing low again. So just a lot of whipsaw, just back and forth today. So not really opening things up or being very clear here with direction in trading, regardless of what bias any trader may have here today. Price action is not allowing for much directional trading, at least at this time. So now we'll see if Bitcoin will want to put in a swing low here with this candle being the low, and the low to the left being higher and the low to the right being higher. And then ideally that would be mirrored here on the 15-minute with this candle here being the swing low, with this candle to the left being higher, and this candle to the right here being higher as well. So with this 5-minute just being a fractal here of the 15-minute, and then we'll see if buy-side delivery is returned to here. And looks like price may be ready to test a new 5-minute high, 118.50, and a new 5-minute high. So starting to get some buy-side delivery here. 118.80, price testing, all right. 118.120. So getting some buy-side delivery with speed here. So this is more the type of price action that I would want to see. Buy-side delivery after entering a long position. So we can see prices reacting here from near the lows of this bullish engulfing candle here. And now price reacting to the fair value gap high here, which is in conjunction with my entry. So we'll see if price action can be delivered higher through this area. And as you can see, price isn't moving with, let's say, immediacy in this process, but a little over a minute into this 5-minute candle and showing some buy-side delivery here. So maybe this buy side can be continued here. We can get some sell side here now, giving all of those gains back. Now the question is, does this hold? But still very early in this candle, so price action could stay as is. Price could be delivered higher, but definitely a reaction here from this level that is near my entry here. But another thing here on this 15-minute chart, with the sweep here, getting this sweep here, as I mentioned, where this orange dotted line is, the sweep of this swing low here. With the price action here, it also took out this swing low, and also took out this swing low here. So took out 3 swing lows, and then took out only one swing high when there's 2, 3, 4 here. So I don't know if this makes a difference or not, or if this is even going to be redelivered to the buy side here. This could easily be a failed reversal attempt here, and this price action could fail very easily here. But this is what I'm seeing here overall, crypto-wise, potential buying opportunity today, or a potential consolidation, or I would say I'm seeing consolidation today. This could buy or it could sell. It could buy or sell as it does any day, but I'm not getting anything very clear here. And we can already see this area of fair value here has been closed in really quickly. So even if this was a sell, it would have to come back up into this area here just to sell at the fair value. There's a small fair value gap here now. The high of this candle is 118, 181.4, and the low of this candle is 118.207.1. So there's a small fair value gap here where when this candle closes in a little over 5 minutes, if it doesn't fill this gap, then there'll be a small gap there. But yeah, seeing consolidation, a bit of indecision here this morning in Bitcoin, but not surprising after FOMC yesterday. But if all goes well, we'll get some continued buy-side delivery here, and Bitcoin will rally. If not, I'll chop around all day or either get stopped out as prices delivered to the sell side here. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy for the New York AM session. We'll see you next time.